Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Odyssey alternator. Before you begin, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts while you work. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. Gather all your necessary tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a specialized serpentine belt tool, to ensure a smooth process. Having everything ready saves time and effort. Now let's get to removing the old alternator. First, use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully slide it off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the electrical connectors and the main power wire from the back of the alternator. There are usually 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Remove these. Once unbolted, gently maneuver the old alternator out of its position. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Insert the mounting bolts and hand tighten them for now. Reconnect all the electrical connectors and the main power wire, ensuring they are snug and secure. Double-check that all wires are routed correctly and not pinched, which could cause future issues. This ensures a proper and safe connection. You're almost done. Carefully reroute and reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's properly seated on all pulleys. Now, tighten the alternator mounting bolts to their specified torque. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Honda Odyssey and check your dashboard for any warning lights. A healthy voltage reading, typically around 13.5 to 14.5 volts, indicates a successful replacement. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.